Hi, it's Laura from You Can Learn How to Code, and I want to talk to you today about a new post on my website about the best way to learn JavaScript in 2019. And the reason I wanted to make this video and write this blog post is that because for those of you who are new to learning JavaScript programming, and maybe you know some HTML and CSS and you want to add a little interactivity to your page, or maybe you want to become a professional web developer, if that's the case, you're going to need to know JavaScript. And the reason I wanted to talk to you about a good approach to learning JavaScript is because the language went under some significant updates in 2015, and there was a new version released called ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6, that really changed the syntax of the JavaScript programming language. And if you don't know what syntax is, it's basically the rules that programmers follow when they write their programming statements. So a lot of the symbols that are used in JavaScript changed, and then there was additional functionality added to JavaScript data structures and things like that. And I could go on and on. There's a number of changes that ES6 implemented in JavaScript. And when I was learning JavaScript in 2014, 2015, basically these changes hadn't taken place yet. They were released in the summer of 2015, if I'm remembering correctly. And so what happened was, all the books and courses, that were available to me at the time didn't include instruction on ES6. So I had to learn that from scratch. But the good news for you, if you're learning JavaScript in 2019, is that there are now plenty of courses, particularly on Udemy, that cover ES6 from the beginning. And so I don't want to go into too much detail because I address what those are in depth in my blog post. So be sure to check that out. And let me know if you have any questions. You can write to me at laura.white@youcanlearnhowtocode.